Hello everybody. So I have here the June Bloom Box. Bloom Box is a monthly subscription. Well, it's a 6-month subscription for a discount, or you can purchase it monthly, and it is a card kit, card subscription box. Okay, let me open it up, and we're going to take everything out so I don't have to deal with the box while I'm showing you. And this is what, okay, first it comes with an instruction booklet, comes with a full stamp set, and this one's really cute. Let me try to get it so you don't get any glare. Really cute. Comes with your 4 envelopes, and then it comes with each card kitted. So all of the pieces you'll need to make the card. The only thing you need to add to these boxes is your own coloring elements, ink, pencils, whatever they are using on these. But if there's bling, it's in here. If there's twine, it's in here. If there's an embossed piece, it's going to be in here. Like this one that looks like mermaid scales to me, an embossing folder. So they've already pre-embossed, they've cut the washi that you need, they've given you a little paper clip, everything else other than the coloring elements. Okay, so let's open up the instruction booklet. And it says June 2018 set sale. That's the name of the stamp set. Here are the cards you're going to be making. If you make exactly like it tells you. And then this is, they always give you some hints and tips. 6 ways to make waves by adding texture and dimension. So emboss a back panel, use vellum to layer or make an image pop, paint a liquid color wash, rip an edge of cardstock, which is really cute when you get that nice ripped edge there. It looks nice. And make elements pop with Journey Glaze. And Journey Glaze is this. It is a liquid adhesive, but you can also put it on the tops of things to give a, make it stand out more. It kind of gives a dimension to it, and it adds a shine to it, which is really cute. But you just want to be careful you let that dry before you add it to your card. Use an edge of ink pad to apply color. That's really cute too. Okay, and then it goes into the instructions for each card. So this one says, life's roughest storms prove the strength of our anchors. And here it's going to say all the things that you need, and most of them are in the box. So the coloring mediums are not. This recommends black silk, which is a little splash thing, and the pencils, and some colored pencils. And for the ink, they just use black ink on this one. So that's really a nice thing. There's not a lot of colored ink. And you do not have to do the, see how they've done the little splash with the little dots. If you don't have that, don't do it. Just need colored pencils and black ink then, which is pretty nice. Okay, card 2. I cannot get the page turned. Here's card 2. Let your dreams set sail. That's really cute. And again, they've got watercolor pencils, and they've got some silk that they splashed. Cool Pool this time. And for the inks, they have black, teal, and Cool Pool. Again, if you just have black, then you just do black. That's fine. I know when people are starting out, they might not have a whole lot of colors. Okay, and this one is a Miss You card. That's so cute. I like the waves and the whale and the bottle. I love that. Okay, and this one uses black and Cool Pool. And then electric lime silk. Again, that gives you that little splash element all around, which you do not have to use. Okay, and then I think it adds really a lot of interest, and it's really cute on a card. But if you don't have it, don't use it. Okay, and this one is a happy birthday card. And it uses black ink, Cool Pool, and Turbo Teal. So you can see it's using the same colors repeatedly, which is nice too. And Cool Pool silk again, and color burst pencils. So cute. And that's it. Those are all 4 cards, and as you can see, each card is really nicely packaged for you, so it's easy to follow along and make the cards. And like I've said before, I've never had problems understanding the instructions. And there will also be a video when you go to Fun Stampers Journey's channel. They will have YouTube channel. They will have a video specifically for this box. So just look for Bloom Box June 2018, and you'll be able to see a video showing how they made some of these cards. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. If you're interested in getting a bloom box for yourself, I will leave links below to how you can check out how to do that. Thank you and happy crafting!